the rain doesn't reply. Okay, if you ask something, it won't reply you back. So that's why it's very strange that the rain replied. That's the answer. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Third question. There is a parallel drawn between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. Raise your hands. Wait. Dishita,
Ma'am, I believe in
answer.
attendance.
No, I'll take it after. Dishita, answer. Shashwat,
Ma'am, what was the question?
question number 3. There is a parallel drawn between rain and music. Which words indicate this? Explain the similarity between the two. Okay, Araf, tell me. Okay, very good, very good. How is the cyclic movement of rain brought out in the poem? Compare it with what you have learned in science. Yes, Aryan.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in the poem, ma'am, it is given in the poem that the water rises from the land and the bottom of the sea to reach the sky. Ma'am, it means,
Okay.
here it means that it transforms itself into vague formation of clouds, different in the structure than the water from which they originated.
Okay. And then it falls down as
Yes, ma'am.
rain, completing the water cycle. Why are the last two lines put within brackets? Yeah, Araf, tell me. Okay, the thoughts of the poet. Yes. Continue. Very good, very good. Okay, now I want all of you to write this answer. I'll dictate. Write it down. The lines in the bracket, write it down, everyone. The lines in the bracket indicate the lines in the bracket indicate the reflections, observations, and thoughts of the poet. Indicate the reflections, observations, and thoughts of the poet. Full stop. He makes observations about the he makes observations about the life course of a song, about the life course of a song, and draws similarities between the life cycle of a song and rain. Should I repeat the answer once?
Ma'am, can you
yes,
please
ma'am.
repeat? Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
The lines in the bracket, the lines in the bracket indicate the reflections, observations, and thoughts of the poet. Reflections, observations, and thoughts of the poet. He makes observations. He makes observations about the life course of a song, life course of a song, and draws similarities between the life cycle life cycle of a song and rain. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Next question. List the pairs of opposites found in the poem. Yes, Himanshu.
Ma'am, day, night, rise and descend.
Okay, one more.
Regged and unregged.
Reckoned and
Reckoned and
Yes,
reckoned
ma'am.
and unreckoned. Okay, reckoned and unreckoned. Okay, very good. So the questions that you have to do in the notebook from these are second, third, fourth, fifth. Second, third, fourth, fifth. 4 questions. Okay.
Ma'am, can you please repeat the last question?
Second, third, fourth, fifth. 2 to
Ma'am, what
5.
was the last question?
Why are the fifth
Ma'am.
one? Why are the last 2 lines put within brackets? Question
Ma'am,
number
that
6
List the
was list the pairs of opposites found in the poem. List the pairs of opposites found in the poem. Done?
What is the answer to this?
The pairs are Himanshu, can you repeat the answer?
Ma'am, rise, descend, day and
Rise,
night, and
descend, day and
reckoned and
night.
unreckoned.
Reckoned and unreckoned. Very good. So we have 3 pairs: rise and descent, and day and night, and reckoned and unreckoned. Okay. Now, everyone quickly download the assignment from Teams that I uploaded. We'll discuss that. Download the assignment, please. Done? Let me know when you have downloaded.
yes, ma'am, done.
Okay. Question number 1. The poem begins in a conversational tone. Who are the 2 participants in this conversation? Very easy question. Raise your hand.
Ma'am, the rain and the poet.
Okay, the rain and the poet. Next, how does the rain justify its claim, I am the poem of earth? Very important question. How does the rain justify its claim, I am the poem of earth? Raise your hands.
Ma'am, by saying I descend to leave the droughts, atomies, the slaves of the globe.
yes, ma'am, downloaded the assignment.
Okay. Yes. Same was for the rain. Same. That is why I said that I am the poem of earth. Okay. Like how the poem comes from the creator and goes back to its creator, same way the rain also comes from the earth and goes back to the earth. Okay. Next. What is the cycle of the song? What does it represent? Basically the same answer that we discussed. If anyone wants to answer this question. Yes,
the cycle
Rohan.
of ma'am, it comes from the heart of the poet and singer, and it roams around in the whole world, do its work, read and unread by the people, and come to its origin or the heart of the.
Very good, very good. Next, on what does the rain descend? What does it do to those things on which it falls?
Ma'am, the rain descends the droughts, atomies, and the dust layers of the globe. And
Okay.
It's like rain recovers the earth from droughts, which
Okay, one is drought. It removes the dust particles.
yes,
It gives life to seeds. Yeah.
ma'am, what
Okay.
is the atmosphere? Just
What is?
ma'am, what is meant by atomies here?
Atoms are tiny particles,
So
tiny dust particles basically. The rain washes that away.
how can we relate it to the rain as it's said in the
No,
given line?
you must have learned it in science somewhere. I don't remember. There was this soil chapter, I guess, that there are particles. Okay,
Oh,
that rain removes
particles.
that and goes, that particles just washes away,
Okay,
gets
okay.
washed away from the land.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you tell the answer of the third question?
What is the cycle of the song? What does it represent? The cycle of the song is again that it comes from its birthplace, okay, and it goes back to its creator. What does it represent? That no matter how much appreciation the song gets or criticism it gets, it still goes back to the creator with all the love. It also signifies the importance of rain as well. That even though rain is not being valued, okay, the water is not being valued much or it's not being treated right, it still does all the work. It still fulfills all its responsibility and then go back to its origin. Okay, that's the whole cycle of the song.
Okay, ma'am.
Next question. Eternal I rise impalpable. What gives eternity to rain? Yes, Himanshu.
Ma'am, the rain rises from water bodies like sea, ocean in the form of vapors and form as clouds in the sea, and it falls back to the, in the and through precipitation it falls back to the earth, and it is never-ending process. Thus, rain is an eternal.
Very good. So basically, the water cycle itself gives eternity to rain. Very good. Next, behind the apparent simplicity, the poem hides a deep meaning. What exactly does the poem convey to the reader? Importance of rain. Very good.
Ma'am, cycle of the song.
Cycle of the song. Very good. Similarities between the cycle of the song and cycle of the rain. And another meaning that no matter how, again, how you treat it, it will still fulfill its responsibilities. Very good. Question number 7. I am the poem of earth, said the voice of the rain. Eternal I rise impalpable out of the land and the bottomless sea. Upward to heaven. So the last line you have to edit. Upward to heaven, whence vaguely formed, altogether changed and yet the same. Okay, now answer the following. The sources of rain are quickly. The sources of rain are and
Clouds.
from the text, from the lines, two sources.
Land and the
And
bottomless sea.
very good. Okay. The poetic device used in the last line of the extract is anyone?
Oxymoron.
Oxymoron. Very good. Find a word from the extract that means that cannot be felt physically.
Impalpable.
Very good, Vani. Impalpable. Okay. Read the extract given below and answer the questions that follow. For song issuing from its birthplace after fulfillment, wandering, reckoned or unreckoned, duly with love returns. Question number 1. What is the similarity between a song and the rain? These are objectives. Okay, wait, let me ask. Wait, 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 wait. Wait, 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 wait. Let me ask some students who have not answered at all. Okay.
Agnish. Rishabh. Kunjal. Kanak. Where are these students? Kanak, are you there? Okay. Okay, who wants to answer now? Yes,
Ma'am,
Arav.
can I?
Okay. Vanshika, you tell me the first one. Arav, you can tell me the second one. Yes, Vanshika, tell me.
Ma'am, they never. They return to their place of origin.
Very good. Okay, second one, Arav. How has the poet been able to put his own reflections? And very good. For what purpose has the phrase second or unreckoned used in the passage? Rohan,
Ma'am,
do you want
A.
to answer? No. No. Rohan, do you want to answer?
Ma'am, this indicates that rain or a song keep completing
Ma'am,
their
B
life.
part.
Yes, ma'am.
B part. To indicate that rain or a song keeps completing their life cycle. Very good, everyone. So you have to complete the assignment, the NCRT questions, poetic devices, and the word meanings. Okay? So you tell the word meanings that you have to complete in the notebook. First of all, four words that are already there: impalpable, lave, atomies, and latent. Here, I can show you these four words. Okay? First, write
Yes.
this in the notebook. Then, fifth is whence, whence. Sixth is vaguely.
Ma'am, can
Sixth,
you repeat the words?
okay, four words are already there in the book. Word meanings. Write those down in the notebook. Impalpable, lave, atomies, latent. Always remember the meaning of latent. It's a word that is often used. Okay, hidden.
Hidden.
Impalpable, lave, atomies, latent. Four words. Five, fifth word is whence. Sixth word is vaguely. Okay, sixth word is vaguely. Seventh, descend, descend. Eighth is reckoned or unreckoned. Done? Eight words.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, now just give me a minute. Just a minute. Okay, now listen very carefully. I have just uploaded one unseen paragraph. Okay? Now, this is the unseen paragraph that you have to do today itself. Okay? Rest of the work, the voice of the ring, assignment, NCRT questions, word meanings, you can complete it by Monday. Okay? But the unseen paragraph, you will do it today itself. And tomorrow, first thing, we'll discuss the answers of the unseen paragraph. Is it clear? Okay, it has objective and subjective questions. And since uh, many of you lost marks in unseen paragraphs, I'm going to give you more unseen paragraphs so that you can practice. Clear? So please do it on your own. Okay, it's better because you will, have that practice. Okay, do it on your own, and tomorrow we'll discuss the answers to this.
Ma'am,
Yes, Himanshu.
ma'am, how many chapters will come in periodic test?
See, the chapters that we have done, we are still finalizing the syllabus. The syllabus is not finalized. See, Ailing Planet and Browning version will definitely come. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay.
Do we have to paste the given unseen passage assignment in our notebooks?
Yes, you can. You can just write the answers. You can later print it out and paste it. Okay.
Okay.
Don't write the unseen paragraph in the notebook, please. You can paste it later. Right now, because you have to complete it today itself, just write the answers. Okay, so that when we are
Okay.
discussing, you have the answers with you. Is
And
that
we
clear?
have to submit it on team also.
Yeah, submit it on Teams also. Okay, or you can submit it tomorrow later once we discuss and you have finalized the answers, and then you can submit it. Okay, all of the work should be submitted by Monday. Okay, with the voice of the rain work. Any doubt? Should we move to the new topic? Or is there
Yes,
any
ma'am.
doubt?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we are starting with poster making. Okay. Okay, now tell me this one thing first of all. Why do we make posters?
Ma'am, to advertise about something for about something material.
Okay, to
Ma'am,
advertise.
ma'am,
Yeah.
to give information to many people at a
Okay.
time.
Okay, to give information. Uh, I'm gonna write to give information.
Ma'am, to create social awareness.
Very good. To create social awareness. Now, posters are usually displayed in a public place. Okay, it is usually displayed in a public place. Okay. Now, one thing that you need to remember about the notice is remember about the poster is that it is notice, advertisements, and invitations all in one. Okay, so it is notice, advertisements, and invitations all in one. Okay, notice, advertisements, and invitation
all in one. Now, who can tell me the difference between a notice and a poster? Now, if I were to, for example, write an invitation, okay,
Ma'am,
why? Yes, yes,
the main
Bhavya.
difference between notice making and a poster is that we make posters in a portrait mainly, and a notice is
Very good.
landscape form.
Notice is a
Notice is written in landscape form while posters are made in portrait form.
portrait form. Okay, very good. Good. Also,
Notices
see,
are written to convey messages or information, whereas posters are for advertising.
very good. Okay, now see what happens is that the main difference is there's a very thin difference. Okay, first there's a very thin line between a notice and a poster. See, now what happens is that if there is a very important information, okay, we will put notice. For example, if there is a supply cut in my society, will I put a notice for that or will I draw a very beautiful poster for that?
Notice.
Notice.
Notice. I'll put a
Notice.
notice. Yeah. So notice is usually when we have to, put some very important information out there. Okay, that I want everyone to read. So I will put, for example, I have to inform all the students that the school is closing from this date to this date. Okay, and it's a very important information. You will read it. You have to read it. So I'll put a notice. Okay. Now, for example, there is an event. Okay, there's an event that's gonna happen. Now, event is not necessary to attend. Okay, for example, there is a school carnival that is happening. Not necessary to attend. I will draft a poster for that. Clear? I will draft a poster for that. I'll make a poster and I'll write carnival and everything, all the details. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, in poster, you have to remember a few things. Okay. I'll send all of this in the WhatsApp group. Okay. So we have three things to be kept in mind. We have the layout. Okay, we have the layout. We have content. We have expression. Okay, three things that we have to focus on while making a poster: layout, contents, and expression. Now, what is layout? Layout is your overall look of the poster. Okay, layout is the overall look for the poster. The layout should be attractive. Okay, it should be tempting. Okay, now
Ma'am,
when I
last
say
part of a board
tempting,
is not visible.
yeah, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so when I say tempting, okay, when I say tempting, what do I mean by tempting? Now, see, usually you see a poster at a distance. Okay, there's a poster that has been posted on the board, and you see it at a distance. Now, it should be attractive enough for a person to go there and see what the poster is actually about. Is that clear? Okay, so it should be attractive and tempting.
Ma'am, it should be eye-catching, right?
Yeah, it should be eye-catching. Okay. Next, simple drawing. When I say simple drawing, it doesn't mean that you make a poster and you write the title, and in the entire poster you are drawing something. Don't do this. I know some of you draw very beautiful. There are artists amongst
in our class, but I don't want to draw the entire poster. Okay, if you have to make a drawing, make a very small drawing in the corner of the poster. Okay, if you have to draw something, make a very small and simple drawing. Okay, next, proportionate spacing. Now, what do I mean by proportionate spacing? This means that when you are making a poster, you will not put everything together. It's not that the title is here and the drawing is also there and content behind there. Do not put everything together. Don't make it messy. There should be a proper spacing between the content, between the drawing, between the title. There should be proper gaps. Clear? So layout is clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Now the content. First of all, with the content, the title should be very persuasive. Okay, the title or the theme should be very persuasive. Okay, it should want to make the person read the entire poster. Okay, so title should be very persuasive. Next, you will only add important details. You will only add important details. Okay, now you will not write complete sentences. Okay, do not write complete sentences. Only use phrases. Now we have done this in note making also. Where I've told you that don't write the complete sentence. Write in phrases. Same way in poster making also, write short phrases. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is that clear? Yeah. And the important details like you add venue, date, time. Okay. Only the important details should be there. Next, you will also write the name of the issuing authority. Name of the issuing authority. For example, if my organization is making a poster about creating an awareness about anything, okay, in the end, I will write my organization's name, okay. So you have to write the name of issuing authority. Now, coming to expression, as I told you before, you will use phrases or slogans. You will use phrases or slogans. Okay. The next thing is that you will show your creativity in terms of content and design. Any creativity you want to show in the poster, either the design should be very good or the content should be very good. Okay. Word limit is 50 words. Do not exceed this. Word limit is 50 words. Okay. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So now the important things that we have understood in poster is, first of all, you will not write complete sentences. You will either use phrases or slogans. If you are drawing something, it should be a very simple drawing. Proper spacing should be done. Don't put everything together. Okay. Word limit is 50 words. Title should be very attractive. And only add important details. And don't give too many details. Only the important ones. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Tomorrow, we'll make one poster in the class. Okay, and I'll also show you some samples of the poster. Okay, so when you are making a poster, I'll tell you this, that when the teacher is checking your poster, okay, so one thing that gives you full marks, I guess poster is of 3 marks this time. It's a short writing skill and it is of 3 marks. Okay, I'll just confirm. If anyone has a syllabus, they can confirm it. Okay, So what gives the teacher give you full marks in poster is basically the words that you have used. Okay, it's the words that you have used and the title. What kind of title you have written. Okay, the word should be minimum, it should be catchy, that's it. And you'll get full marks in poster. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, just a second. Okay, so now tomorrow we'll continue with the poster making, but the first thing we'll do is do the answers of unseen paragraphs. Clear? So please do that. Tomorrow we'll do the poster. I'll explain more about the poster making. Any doubt up till now?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'm
Ma'am,
taking
you asked me a question, right? Ma'am, my mic wasn't working.
Okay. Is it fine now? Is it working?
Yes,
Any
ma'am, there
doubt?
was a
Any
glitch.
doubt, Kanak?
Ma'am.
Okay, I'm taking the attendance. Akansha, Arav Grewal, Arav Sharma, Agnish,
Present, ma'am.
Ishwarya,
Present, ma'am.
Akshita,
Present, ma'am.
Aman, Anshika,
Present, ma'am.
Arunata,
Present, ma'am.
Aryan,
Present, ma'am.
Ayush, Bhavya Bhadwaj,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavya Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Daman, Devansh, Dishita,
Ma'am.
Galaxy,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kakkar,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Himanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Jayant, Kanak,
Present, ma'am.
Kanha, Kunjal,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshay,
Present, ma'am.
Linoy, Manav,
Present, ma'am.
Pragya, Rishabh, Rohan,
Ma'am, present.
Sahil Bisht,
Present, ma'am.
Sahil Sharma, Sanket, Sayam, Shashwat,
Present, ma'am.
Shivansh, Shriya,
Present, ma'am.
Siddhant Sharma, Siddharth Jain,
Present.
Siddharth Semwal,
Present, ma'am.
Shrishti, Vani, Vanshika.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Manshika present.
Yeah, I marked you present. Okay, so complete the work. We'll discuss the unseen paragraph tomorrow. Okay?
Yes.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay, I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care, everyone. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, bye. Okay.